Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to upload the image using Laravel 9. So go to the official website Laravel. Go to the Google and type Laravel. Click on this one. It goes to the documentation. Select as 9. Installation via Composer. Click on this one. Here this one. Just copy this one. Composer create project. You click on this. Okay, you just copy this one. You have to open the folder. I have already created my E drive. I already created the folder called framework. Inside the framework, I am going to do my all the Laravel project. You type cmd command and you just what is the command, you just copy and you just paste it. Here you have to write it's whatever name you can give. I'm going to give us Maya. Press enter key. You have to wait until your Laravel installation complete. Okay, your Laravel 9 is installing. Okay, simple command you have to run: composer create project Laravel your project name. It's a very simple. We have to install the Laravel. Okay. Okay. Right, Laravel installation has been completed successfully. Now this is your folder. Inside the folder, it's installed all the stuff. Now you have to open it. So here double click on this folder and type cmd code space dot, press enter key. Now you can see here all the project will be configured into the VS Code editor. You can see here. Okay, all the your project, all the projects. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here is this is a env file. So here all the configuration is there, MySQL configuration is there. Now here I'm going to give the database name, different database name I'm going to give. So DB, I'm going to give DB Office. I just give a DB Office. You can give any name of the database name. I just give as DB Office as a database name. Hit save. Right. Now I'm going to run the Laravel. How to run it? Terminal. Okay. Now I'm how to run the project. You have to type this relevant command php artisan serve. You have to type this command and press enter key. Now this one should be your control C to copy. Back, go here. You have to paste it. Press enter key. Here it is working successfully. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to here. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this folder structure of Laravel 9. This is a folder structure. There are 11 folder and it consists of 11 folder and there are 13 files are there. Okay, so here first what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do the another stuff is image uploading stuff. I'm going to create a database. So how to create the database table? So you have to type this command. Okay, what is the command you have to type here is in the console. You just control C to you control C, you press control C and stop the project and you have to run this command php artisan make migrate create employee tables. You have to create the employee table. So you have to type create employee table. Okay, you have to type this command and press enter key. You have to wait until the project has been created. Okay, right, perfect. You have to type php artisan migrate employee. This one migrated successfully. So go to the database migration employee, this one. So go here, you can check down this employee table. So employee table. So now here what I'm going to do here is you have to type you have to add the commands. Okay, so here you just copy this one, paste it over here. table name, is a column, address, mobile, phone. These are the column you have to create. Okay, name, address, mobile, phone number, photo. Okay, these are the column. So after that, what I'm going to do, so I'm going to migrate. So how to migrate? After done the stuff, you have to type PHP artisan migrate. You type PHP artisan migrate. Press enter key. What is the problem over here? Oh, okay. The problem is, what is the problem over here is I haven't opened the XAMPP server. That's why the problem will be occur. Okay, so you have to start the XAMPP server first. Then only it will be created. It will be updated in the database. Okay, so you have to write. Okay, that's MySQL. Apache started. MySQL has been started. Again, you have to run the query. What is the problem? Unknown database. Okay. The problem is this. After that, you have to go here. The PHP XAMPP server here. You have to create a database DB office. Okay. So what is the problem? When you get the some problem error on the terminal, you have to read them. So there are many students not read go through the command. What is the error getting? You just command me this getting this error. You have to read that error. Then only you can get the solution for it. Okay, right. So here new DB office. Right, DB office. Okay, created successfully. Now here I am going to type the command php migrate. Okay, here table has been migrated successfully. You have to create the additional table here. Employees migrated successfully. Okay, now you can go here DB office. You can see the employees table. You can get the ID, name, address, mobile, photo. Your table has been created successfully. Perfect. This also the perfect. Okay, you have done the perfect work. Right. Now what I'm going to do here is you've done the table structures. After that, I'm going to go to I'm going to create the controller. Okay, I'm going to create the controller. So how to create the controller? You have to use this command PHP artisan make controller. What is the controller? You have to create as employee controller. So how to create the controller? You have to run this command. Okay, you have to create the migrate the table employee table. The same name I am going to put it in the controller as well. Your controller is where it resides on apps folder. Inside the app folder there will be the folder called http. Inside the http there will be the controller folders there. Inside the controller folder your controller has been created. Okay, the same app folder there will be the another folder called model. Here model has been created. So you just copy this command and press enter key. Your controller has been created. Okay, PHP artisan make. You don't have to type all the things in my website. You will be able to just copy and paste and type this command. Okay, this predefined command you just type. Your controller name only you have to change. What is the controller name you are given? I just given as employee. You can give any name of the controller name. Okay, as you wish. Right. After controller has been created, after that I am going to create a model. How to create the model? PHP artisan make model employee. So the same controller name I am going to put into the model as well. Right. Model has been created. You can see there will be the additional inside the controller folder. The additional file has been created, which is a employee controller. Okay. You can see, as you see in the model folder, the additional page has been created as employee.php. This is the file has been created additionally. Okay. Here, what I am going to do here is, I'm going to create the files. So here I'm going to create these files. Just copy and paste over here. I'm going to create these files. Table employee, I have to set it the primary key ID, fillable, name, address, mobile, photo. These all the things are there. Okay, I have I migrate the database. You can see the database. Okay, here name, address, mobile, phone. The same thing you have to done here as well. Name, address, mobile, photo. Okay, perfect. This is the primary key ID I have set it. This is table name as an employee. Okay, right, perfect. Now what I'm going to do here is simply you have to create the views. Okay, views, which is a view your website. So very simply how to view the website we'll check. Okay, we'll check. Okay, So we have to first we have to create the layout blade.php page. Just copy this one. I'm going to create a page as layout blade.php page. So where you have to create it, go to the resources folder, views. Here I'm going to right click, new. Here you have to create the folder which is a I'm going to create a folder which is an employee folder. Inside the employee folder we have to create. Okay. Resources, inside resources there will be the view folder. View folders, right click, new folder, type employee folder name which is employee. Okay. Why what's the problem? Employee. Folder name I'm going to get employee. That's enter key. Your employee table as a employee. I'm just right click and delete them and move it again. Resource views, right click, new folder, employee. Okay, folder has been created successfully. Right click, new file. I'm going to create this one as a this one, layout blade.php. Display file. Just copy and paste it over here. Right click, new file, paste it over here. Okay, this is the layout blade.php. Now here we have to copy it, paste it. This is a blank layout. So blank layout. You can see here it's a blank layout. Here blank layout page. With the add you have to body. You have to type the body div. I'm going to arrange them perfectly. Now you can see here. HTML. Okay. Now you can see here. This is the HTML start, HTML close. Inside the HTML there will be the add tag. Inside the add tag there will be the body tag. Inside the body we have to type this one. Okay. Dev start container. Here dev. Here inside this yard content. Okay. It's simple. You have to this is a layout. Okay. So after that I'm going to create another folder file, new file. Create blade.php. This one. Select this one, new file, create blade.php. Here I'm going to, what I'm going to do is just copy it, paste it over here. You have to extend employee layout inside layout section content card, so type over here. The form label type this is simple form design I have made. Okay, very simple form design. Div, okay, div close it. Right, simple form design I have made it. Extend employee layout. Employee layout means the layout folder. This is a main layout folder. You have to call here section content. This is the context. You have type start the div tag and close the div tag. Inside div tag we have to create the context page. Inside the context page we have to write the simple. You have to create a simple form. Okay. Form action, the URL, the employee URL. This is the when you upload the image you have to type this one end type and multi-part. When you are uploading the image you have to type multi-part form data. Okay, you have type name, address, mobile. This is a photo. Okay, you have type like this. Okay, very simple. You have type like this. Right, perfect. Now let's save all. Or you type index.blade.php. You just copied employee blade.php. Here I'm going to type this one. Paste it. Press enter key. Container. You have type like this. To order the div tag, like this. So I will be explaining. Don't worry, this is all the source code I provide you. Uh, you don't worry about that part. Okay, it's not okay. It's not okay. Now here it's you will be display all the image you are showing to the table. Okay, so you'll say create the table here to show it, showing them. Okay, showing them all the tables content over here. Right, show them. Okay, it's simply you have to show into the table. Okay, context, this one should be the add new contact. So here we have to type the name, address, phone number, photo. This is all the mobile. This is the photo. When you upload the photo, you can see the photo. Okay, here it show onto the table. Okay, so when you upload the image. Okay, so that's the stuff you have did it here. After done the stuff, what you are going to do is I'm going to do the controller part. Okay, controller part we have to do the things. Okay, we have to create and show only. Okay, so after that what I'm the controller, we have to type something like that. So here what you have to do, this employee controller, go to the employee controller index method, you paste this code. What is the code that is here is getting all the data via model means employee model. This is the columns are there, it's getting the details here and redirect to the employee index page. Employee index page means this is the employee folder. There will be the file called index page, it will be viewing. Okay, that's why it will be we are calling here. After that what I'm going to do here is create the one. So create view this one. So just copy this one line, your paste this create. After that what I'm going to do it is create a store. So we have typed this one, all the files time path where your image should be uploaded. Okay, so all the stuff you have mentioned over here, you have to give the mention over here. This all the things you have to mention, redirect. Okay, all the stuff you have to mention over here, right? So that's the stuff you have to give, all the stuff step by step you have to give over here. Right, perfect. Okay, this is the request data. You get the data, the file name, type, request file, photo, and the path where your image should be uploaded. So request data, photo storage, and path employee. Here you have to inside the storage, the storage folder, the image should be uploaded. Okay, you can see the image. Okay, all the public folder you have to see the image. This storage folder, why I putting here as uploading the image and files upload. Oh, you have to put it here. That's the thing you have to do. That's the thing you have to do, the controller part. This one, yeah, controller part. Okay, so route, we have to set the route which is the URL. It is calling the URL. Okay, so how the URL you have to write this route resources, this one. Okay, we have to put it here. That's the route. You can see the route. Resources, sorry, routes, here they will be separate folder, web.php, here you call the route. Okay, the employee, the employee controller is called the employee controller. If you type this employee / employee, it's called the employee controller. Okay, then what you are going to do here is you have to type the namespace, the controller namespace here. So type here like this again. Use your employee controller is reside on here, this path, app http controller employee controller is reside on there. Okay, that's the thing you have to put it here. Okay, after that you have to type this command php RDS store link, then only you must run this command. Okay, store link. Why, what's the problem is there? Getting the problem is here, this the question mark is there. I can run it now. It's okay, this links connect. The comma is the problem the first time. So after that I'm going to do another thing is the model we have to write here. What's a model? Okay, so model we haven't call it here, that's why the problem. models also you have tried, then only it will be getting here. Controller, as a controller, the model, employee model, the model. Okay, you have to give the path model. The controller, they are the model. The files are getting from the controller model. So employee.php, it reside on app, inside the app folder models and employee model. That's it. That's the thing you have to write. But now you have to save all and run it. Run the command php serve artisan, php serve php artisan serve artisan serve. Run this command and press enter key. Go to here, this particular URL, paste it over here, /employee view employee.index not found. What's mean? View employee index not found mean? This is a controller, employee controller. So here we'll create the index. It is go to the employee folder. So employees, I got this employees, the employee. What's the folder you are created here? Employee folder. That's why the error will be getting. Okay. Okay, error will be getting the employees. Here the resources, the folder which name is views employee. And now again we have save and run again. Control C, run it. Paste it. Employee. Employee layout not found. What is the problem? Here the employee is not employees. That's the problem. Alright, employees. Employee. Okay, that's it. Again you have run it. Control C. Run it again. Employee /employee. Now it's working. Now I'm going to upload the image and all. Create employees. Here also the problem. Create also the problem. Create by create index employee. Okay, here the problem is here. Controller, which is a employee, not employees, the employee. It's the employee. Okay, perfect. Control C. Again, I'm going to run it. It's working. Okay, I'm going to write Raja, address India, mobile number. You have to upload one image. What are the image? You have to type by the image. You have to upload the image. Upload this image. Save. Okay, the image is uploaded successfully. You can see the image. That's well. Okay. I'm going to upload another image. John, something address, mobile number, image. This image. It uploaded successfully. Here it's uploaded. Okay. Now you can see the image. Now you can see here. If you have to increase the photo, you will be able to give the width and height of the photo. Okay, it's no problem. Here you can give the thing is here. The view files. The photo. I just give this width and height. You can change whatever you want. Okay. If you give a big one, you can it show as your photo as a big. Okay, it's very simple. After that, this is the thing you have to do. Okay, upload the images. Right. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. In the storage folder, there is a public folder. Inside the public folder, there is an image folder. This image folder, all the projects will be there here. You upload the images, all the images are there. You can see here. So these images are there. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime.